Good morning. Excited, Elijah? Where are we going today? Animal Kingdom. Animal Kingdom. Alright, so this is day 6. It's been a crazy couple days here. So Gianna's not feeling good, so Grandma, Mommy, and Gianna are sitting back relaxing. It's about 7:45. We were headed to Animal Kingdom. Grandpa Dave and Isaiah are in the breakfast already, and we're going to eat some breakfast and head over there. And the other ones are going to meet us there soon.
Good morning, guys.
Alright, so we're now entering Animal Kingdom. You guys excited? Excited? No. Josh? No. You excited for Animal Kingdom?
Yeah!
Dave's excited. Woo! Let's go. Alright, it's 9 o'clock. We just got in. About to head over to Pandora and try to ride Navi. Alright, so we just got off of the Navi River journey. And we're going to kind of walk around Pandora a little bit. And then go to Kilimanjaro Safari. Alright, so we're about to do the safari ride.
Yeah!
You ready? You ready for safari? You guys look tired.
No, we're not. We're not going on the safari.
We're not going on the safari.
We're going on the
Everest? This isn't Everest, buddy. You're on the wrong ride. We're going to have to turn you in. Whatever.
We're going on Figment.
Alright. So we just did Kilimanjaro Safari. Isaiah loved it. Awesome, Dave?
Very.
And we're waiting for everyone else to come, so we're going on the Gorilla Falls tour, exploration trail thingy, that thing. What you trying to find, Eli? Trying to find some birds? Which one you looking for?
Look at that one, there's something in its mouth.
Dad,
Which one are you trying to find?
I found these two.
You found those two already?
I found the black one, Dad.
Did you? Where's he at?
It's right there.
Right there?
Ooh, what is it?
Let's see. I think it is...
Hey, so we're waiting to ride Everest. Who's excited for Everest? And Gianna and Mommy have joined us. How you feeling, G? Okay? Fine. That works. So we're about to do Everest, and then Grandma and Grandpa Dave are going to do Everest after us.
Elijah can't go on it.
Elijah can't, that's right. Okay, so just did Everest. Mommy, Vita, Josh and Isaiah are going on Flight of Passage, and the two littler ones are Gianna and Elijah are over here while we're waiting for them to get off Flight of Passage because Elijah can't ride this either. Alright, so we're about to ride Flight of Passage. Gianna? Excited? Dave, excited?
Everything is really good.
It is really good. Let's do it. Alright, so we all just rode Flight of Passage. And me and Gianna are going to go home. Gianna's not feeling too good right now. We're going to go take a little rest. And then we're going to try to come back later on tonight. Everyone else is going to stay. Since I've been here so many times, I'm going to go home. Alright, so we're about to head home. Gianna, what did we get?
We got Starbucks.
Did Daddy actually get Starbucks?
Yeah.
We must be on vacation. Mom's eating mac and cheese. Dad's drinking Starbucks. We got some hot tea for Gianna. And we're going to go home. And if she feels better, we're going to come back in about 3 hours. We're going to take a nice little 2-hour nap. Come back around 5, right?
Yeah.
What do you think? All right, let's do it. All right, so we are on our way back to the resort. And I just wanted to show everybody there is nobody on the bus. We are king and queen of the bus. Woo! So we're going to take a nap and hopefully feel better. Go later on. Alright, so it's about 5 o'clock. John's feeling a little better, right?
Yeah.
So we're gonna go back to the park for at least a couple hours, see how everything goes. And once again, we have our bus entirely to ourselves. Alright, we are back in Animal Kingdom. About to meet up with everyone.
Yep.
Excited?
Yeah.
What do you want to ride? Premier Whirl?
Yeah.
Let's do it. Alright, let's go find him. What time is it?
It's Primeval World time.
That's right. Looks like John's feeling better. So we're going to ride this. Everyone else is going on the Lion King. We're going to probably do this and a Tough to Be a Bug.
Yeah.
Because they did that earlier too.
Yeah.
Okay, it's about 6:15. Gianna got some food in her. And we are about to...
Chocolate chip cookie.
She does have a chocolate chip cookie. We're about to go meet Mickey and Minnie while we're waiting for everyone else to get out of the Lion King, and then we're going to try to get in Rivers of Light, but honestly, it looks really busy over there. So I don't know if we're going to be able to do that. Might have to wait till the 8 o'clock show. So, we'll see. All right, Gianna, what did we just do?
We found a Rivers of Light spot.
What did we do before that? What did you do before that? I can't even talk.
We met Mickey and Minnie.
Mickey and Minnie. So instead of going inside there, which looks really packed, I don't even know if we're gonna have a seat. I think we're just gonna. We got like front row right here. You can kind of see everything from right here.
I can leave them.
So we're gonna hold this spot until everyone gets here. Yeah. What do you think, Gianna? You like it? Alright, so we are in Pandora at night, just kind of checking it out before we head home. All the scenery. Okay, so we just got back from Animal Kingdom. Zaya's posing.
Ate too.
Just ate?
All I had was yogurt parfait.
That's fine.
Not
That's
even
fine.
a yogurt parfait.
And we are going to sleep early tonight. We're going to try to get out to Hollywood Studios early in the morning. So with that, see ya tomorrow. We're going to rope drop.